Standard 6, Subject General Science, Lesson number 4, Disaster Management. In Marathi, आपत्ती व्यवस्थापन. Students, some of the picture you can see which gives an idea about the disaster, आपत्ती. I will explain you some of the examples. First one, in 1993, many people died due to the earthquake at Kilari in Latur district. Okay. Second example, even today, people of Mumbai shudder at the memory of July 2005 when many people had lost their lives in the deluge caused by heavy rains. Third example, in July 2014, the whole village of Malin in Ambegaon Taluka of Pune district was destroyed in a matter of minutes due to a landslide. Many got buried under the heap of soil and stone and lost their lives. Fourth example, in November 2015, many people died due to the flooding caused by heavy rains in Tamil Nadu. See this picture. It shows the harmful effects of earthquake at Kilari. Second picture, the disaster at Malin village. ये जो दुर्घटना घटी थी ये लैंडस्लाइड की वजह से हुआ था. मतलब जो बड़ा पहाड़ था ना वो उसके जो स्लाइड्स होते हैं लैंडस्लाइड्स उसको बोला जाता है, वो पहाड़ वहां से गिरने लगा और उसके अंदर बहुत सारे जो मकान थे वो सब दब गए, लोग उसके अंदर दबे हुए थे, इसलिए उसमें बहुत सारे पैमाने में लाइफ का और प्रॉपर्टी का भी नुकसान हुआ था. Now learn about a disaster. What is a disaster? A sudden event that causes large scale damage to life, property and social aspects of a nation or a society is called a disaster. Again, I'm explaining the definition of disaster. A sudden event that causes large scale damage to life, property and social aspect of a nation or a society is called a disaster. Next point of the lesson. How and why do the following disaster occur? Floods due to heavy rains. Floods occurs due to heavy rains. An earthquake, lightning, a volcanic eruption, etc. Forest fires, increased risk due to high density of population in a limited area, rampant and irregular constructions, ecological imbalance, terrorism, riots and crimes resulting in a bomb explosion, assaults, fire and accidents. Now students, disaster are of two main kinds. First one is a natural disaster and second one is a man-made disaster. Classify the following disaster as a man-made or natural disaster. Now student, as you know, the natural disasters is a disaster caused by nature and a man-made disaster that is caused by man-made interventions or problems. See, here some of the examples of man-made and natural disasters are given. We have to classify that into two categories, that is a man-made disaster and natural disaster. Now, fire. Fire is what? Man-made or natural disaster? Fire is a man-made disaster. Earthquake, it is a natural disaster. A leakage of a chemical gases, it is also man-made disaster. Storm, flood, tsunami, all these are the natural disasters. Bomb explosion, collapse of a building, it is a man-made disaster. War, it is also man-made disaster. And forest fire, it is a natural disaster. Students, one by one, we have to learn the types of disasters and their effects. First one, earthquake. Earthquake म्हणजे भूकंप. Movements in the interior of the earth release tremendous amount of energy. This causes seismic waves leading to movements of the Earth's surface like tremors, shaking, cracking up, etc. Such vibrations or quaking in the earth crust is known as the earthquake. What is the definition of earthquake? Vibrations or quaking in the earth crust is known as the earthquake. It is believed that beside other causes, man-made causes like mining and constructions of big dams can also lead to earthquake. Earthquake is a natural type of disaster, but causes like mining and construction also cause earthquake. Now, student, we have to learn the effects of earthquake. First one, destruction of infrastructure, that is buildings, bridges, roads, railway tracks, etc. Second, change in the direction of flow of rivers. Third one, huge loss of life and property. All these are the harmful effects of earthquake. Second type of disaster, that is floods. A frequently occurring natural disaster in all parts of the world is flood. A frequently occurring natural disaster in all parts of world is floods. Due to excessive rains in the same place, a river overflows. Its banks causing a flood. The water drainage system in a big cities falls short when there is a heavy rainfall, resulting in choking of gutters and drainage lines. Water overflows on the roads and surroundings area and even enters nearby houses. Picture of flood is shown here. You can imagine a flood situation occurs. Now students, you have to learn the effects of floods. First one, huge loss to life and property. Soil erosion, destruction of standing crops. After effects of floods like spread of diseases and epidemic affecting health of peoples. Third type of disaster is storm. The formation of high and low air pressure belts in the atmosphere causes change in weather resulting in strong winds and storm. Storm मतलब वादळ. The picture of storm is shown here. What are the effects of storm? Great damage in the storm affected region. Tremendous losses to life and property. Disruption of electric supply. Disruption of transport and communication. Storm की वजह से क्या क्या हो सकता है? ग्रेट लॉस टू स्टॉर्म अफेक्टेड एरिया. जिस जगह पर स्टॉर्म आने वाला है और आया था उस जगह पे बहुत नुकसान होता है. ट्रेमेंडस लॉसेस टू लाइफ एंड प्रॉपर्टी. उस जगह की बहुत सारे लोगों की जान भी जा सकती है और प्रॉपर्टी का भी नुकसान हो सकता है. डिस्ट्रप्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई. वहां पे जो भी इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई है वो स्टॉर्म की वजह से सब कट हो सकता है. और लास्ट वन, स्टॉर्म की वजह से ट्रांसपोर्ट और कम्युनिकेशन, एक दूसरे के साथ जो बातचीत हम करते हैं कम्युनिकेशन, वो भी उससे डिस्टर्ब होता है. नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ डिजास्टर, दैट इज फॉरेस्ट फायर्स. A forest fire is an uncontrolled fire in a forest, pasture or grassland due to natural or man-made causes. Forest fire ये दो वजह से हो सकते हैं, either it is a natural or a man-made also. Forest fire spreads at a tremendous speed. A picture of fire for a forest fire is shown here. Effects of forest fires: great damage to natural wealth and a biodiversity. Second one, pollution of air. So student, all these are the natural and man-made disasters. In next lecture, we are going to learn about a disaster management. Thank you.